All, welcome to my classroom. I am Reshma C, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT, Adur. In the previous lecture, we dealt with a numerical on ILD for horizontal thrust in the case of a three-hinged arch. In today's class, we shall see the ILD for bending moment in the case of a three-hinged arch. Moving on to the ILD for bending moment in a three-hinged parabolic arch. So this is a parabolic arch hinged at A, B and crown. Span is L, central rise is H, reactions are VA and H at A and VB and H at B. We are considering a section at a distance Z from the left end. We know that the bending moment for any point at any point in an arch is equal to B moment minus H moment. So we are drawing a beam with similar condition. So this is simply supported beam with reactions VA and VB, span is L, and we have considered a section at a distance Z and marked it as D. There is a unit load moving from left to right in the case of arch. The distance of load from the left end is X. Similarly, we are making the unit load on the beam with a distance of X meter from the left end. So we have to find out beam moment, then H moment, and then subtract it to get the bending moment at D. First of all, we will draw the ILD for beam moment, which we have already done in 4th module, influence line diagram chapter. For that, first of all, we need to find out VA and VB. So taking moment about A, we get 1 into X minus VB into L is equal to 0, from which VB is equal to X by L and VA is equal to 1 minus X by L, since VA plus VB is equal to 1 kilonewton. Now, when this 1 kilonewton load is to the left of section, so this is the section, when the load is to the left of section, that is 1 kilonewton load is on the left side. That is X less than Z. In that case, bending moment will be VB into this distance, which is L minus Z. On substituting, we get it as X by L into L minus Z. Now, at X is equal to 0 and at X is equal to Z, we have to find out the value for bending moment. At X is equal to 0, bending moment becomes 0 by L into L minus Z, which is 0. And at X is equal to Z, the equation becomes Z by L into L minus Z. Okay, now consider that the 1 kilonewton has moved to the other side of section, that is X greater than Z. In that case, bending moment will be VA into Z. The 1 kilonewton it has moved to the other side. Okay, so VA into Z, VA is 1 minus X by L into Z. At this point, X is Z and at this point X is L. So at X is equal to Z, bending moment is 1 minus Z by L into Z, and at X is equal to L, bending moment is 1 minus L by L into Z, which is 0. Okay, so we got the value of bending moment at X is equal to 0, X is equal to Z, X is equal to Z, and at X is equal to L. Now we are going to plot for it. At X is equal to 0, bending moment is 0. At X is equal to Z, bending moment is Z by L into L minus Z. Again, at X is equal to Z, bending moment is Z by L into L minus Z. And at X is equal to L, bending moment is 0. Join all the points. This is the influence line diagram for beam moment. Next is the ILD for H moment. We know that bending moment is H into YD. H, in the previous lecture we found out the influence line diagram value for H, which is L by 4H. Therefore L by 4H into YD. General equation for Y is 4HX by L square into L minus X. At point D, the coordinates are Z and YD from figure. That is X is equal to Z and Y is equal to YD. Substitute this in this equation, we get YD is equal to 4HZ by L square into L minus Z. That is L by 4H into YD becomes Z by L into L minus Z after cancelling out some terms. So the influence line diagram for H moment becomes 0 at two extreme ends and Z by L into L minus Z at the center. Now we have to superimpose the ILD for B moment and H moment. So this is the ILD for B moment. It is Z by L into L minus Z at Z distance from the left end, and this green color one is the ILD for H moment, which is Z by L into L minus Z at L by 2 distance from the left end. This is plus and this is minus. This is the ILD for bending moment in 3-hinged parabolic arch. In the next class, we will work out more numericals. Till then, thank you.